palagi po ako nagpa-practice sa school para mag-ready po. Tapos, hindi ko po talaga ina-expect na makukuha po ako.
Nung nandun na sa National Training Camp, 3 araw kayong naka-check-in sa Manila. Sinong NBA at WNBA talents yung na-meet mo? Naalala mo?
Si Nerlens Noel po.
Kilala niyo ba si Nerlens Noel? Saan siya naglalaro?
Sixers.
Okay, 76ers. Now, ang tanong ko naman kay Magnus, nung nagpunta kayo abroad, first time mo ba mag-abroad? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Nung nagpunta kayo ngayon sa... Saan ba kayo nagpunta?
Nationals.
Nung nagpunta kayo sa abroad? Okay. Ngayon, ang sinasabi nga nila, hindi sila umabot sa abroad, pero umabot sila sa Manila. Kung makikita ninyo, nung umabot sila sa Manila, kasama nila yung sinelect from all other provinces sa Philippines last year. At nakarating sila doon, na-train sila with our NBA talents at WNBA talent. Pagbalik nila ngayon dito, they're helping out with the program to help you guys. So nag-volunteer sila kanina doon sa ating mga station. So they're giving back to the program. So thank you boys. At meron pa akong 2 tatawagin para naman sa ating coaches. Meron din tayo kasing program nakasama sa Junior NBA at Junior WNBA na mamaya i-explain sa atin ni Coach Jeff. Pero gusto ko lang pasalamatan si Coach Marlon Pawit at Coach Jennifer Dindin. Nandito ba kayo? Akit lang tayo saglit sa stage. Coach Marlon Pawit and Coach Jennifer Dindin.
Yay! Marlon.
So alam ko maraming coaches na nandito from all over Benguet, Baguio, and northern area. Meron pang mga dumayo from as far south as Batangas and Lucena. Nandito silang lahat. So for all those coaches, yung mga bata sineselect natin, pero meron din tayong mga selection for coaches. Yun yung tinatawag naming Coach of the Year program. Coach Marlon, Coach Jennifer. So si Coach Marlon, malamang familiar yung marami sa inyo. Saan ka nagko-coach?
Coach po ako ng Pasarel ng SLU, St. Louis Laboratory High School. I'm actually a former graduate of BSU, batch 2001. Dito po ako nag-graduate.
Thank you, Coach Marlon. And Coach Jennifer Dindin, saan po nagko-coach?
Sa University of the Cordilleras po. Actually, I'm also an alumni of BSU, Masteral.
So si Coach Jennifer and Coach Marlon both graduated from BSU. Now, ano ba yung Coach of the Year program? Nationwide, we are selecting male and female coaches. Libre lang po yung program. You just have to log on sa ating website www.juniornba.asia/Philippines. Kita niyo po yun doon sa likod? Yung banner? So yung banner po na yun, log on, mag-register kayo as Coach of the Year. Merong mga essay doon at mga question about your coaching philosophy. And you may receive a call from the NBA and Alaska inviting you over during the National Training Camp. Isasama rin po namin kayo among the other coaches sa Pilipinas at i-house din namin kayo sa Manila at kasama po kayo sa training. So si Coach Jennifer at si Coach Marlon, they've worked with our Alaska coaches and our NBA talents and WNBA talents. Coach, pa-share lang ng kaunti kung ano yung hindi mo makakalimutan nung nagpunta na tayo sa Manila at nag-clinic.
An experience na hindi ko makalimutan nito is nasabay sa national palaro. And I was called one time, an email and a phone, na I was chosen as one among the COY, the Coaches of the Year, to represent Baguio.
Thank you, Coach. And then, Coach Marlon, sino yung nakatrabaho mong NBA talent?
The most memorable experience that I have is to have a training together with Nerlens Noel including the WNBA, the former MVP Ruth Riley, including of course the training director Chris Summers, because we actually have a hands-on training together with them. Okay, yun po yung pinakamaganda at pinakamasarap doon. At saka yung isa pa doon sa pinakamaganda doon, libre lahat. Magmula pamasahe paglabas ng bahay hanggang pag-uwi, lahat po ng pagkain. Okay, so I'm inviting all the coaches here to try and apply. Malay po natin, tayo po yung maka-experience ng mga ganong mga bagay na never po nating na-experience dito sa Baguio or sa Benguet or in any other tournaments or in any other organizations. Dito lang po yan sa Junior NBA. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Marlon and Coach Jennifer. Now, kaya sila nandito at tumutulong din. Dala nila yung kanilang mga team para tumulong dito sa program. Again, tulad ng sinasabi namin, join, everything is free. Who knows, meron ulit taga Baguio or taga Northern Luzon area na mapadala sa Manila. At habang tumatagal, lumalaki at lumalaki yung program, lalo na dito sa Benguet at sa Baguio. Thank you, coaches. Excited na ba kayo, kids? Dun sa mga kaninang umaga na mula alas 8 ng umaga, meron daw as early as 7 o'clock nandito na. Palakpakan muna ulit natin ang mga parents, yung mga parents na nagtiyaga talaga. Kanina pa sila nagtatanong, Coach, anong oras ba? Maghihintay lang kami dito. Salamat sa experience. First time nakarating yung mga bata sa ganitong klaseng camp. And none of this will be possible kung wala ang ating presenting partner. Palakpakan natin ang Alaska. At again, sabi ko nga kanina, napakaswerte natin at ginraise tayo ng presence ng ating PBA legend. Gusto ko yun. One clap! Gusto ko malakas na palakpak pag tinawag ko, ha. One clap! Two claps! Itong level ng kamay ko, pag mababa, mahinang palakpak. Pag mataas, malakas. Subukan natin. Go! Ayan. Let's all welcome Coach Jeffrey Doriaso, Coach!
Wala na akong boses. First and foremost, give yourselves a round of applause for being here and lasting the whole day. Come on, guys. We'd like to really thank the parents for allowing your kids to come out here and join this year's RSC here in Baguio. Really, it was the kids who made this possible, who made it work out, and this is why we're here. Before we leave, I just want to remind you guys just one thing. Kids, if you could always remember this. Here at Alaska, we always promote a healthy lifestyle, no? So we always promote you staying active. So whether it's basketball, volleyball, soccer, another sport that you like, please promise me that you will continue staying active, okay? Trust us when we say it's the best way, okay? So thank you for your efforts today. I think everyone here, lahat ng nag-participate sa mga drills natin today, were very good. You guys gave it your best, and that's all we expect. So hopefully nag-enjoy po kayo. I just want to say congratulations again. Good luck for the ones that we're going to invite again tomorrow. And in behalf of all the Alaska Power Camp coaches, we thank you very much. So thank you, guys.